Hello, everybody. How are you? It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. I am here to show my video for hashtag 30 weeks of pocket letter week 10. Can you believe it? We are at 10 weeks of doing pocket letters. I think that's awesome. I am also ahead because right now when you're seeing this video, I did this video back in June. Just saying, that's how far ahead. I've been doing pocket letter study. Now I can rest a little bit because I'm 10 weeks ahead and work on some cool projects that I want to get to. So that's what I wanted to do, is get ahead a little bit. Plus, the next few weeks, the summer will be getting busy because soccer is over in 2 weeks. Because today is the 19th when I'm recording this video of June. And in 2 weeks' time, soccer's done. Diamond's going to go to work in more hours, so I will start having my grandchildren. So that's why I wanted to get ahead a little bit. So I decided to do a pocket letter in one of my favorite paper lines. And I have bought this at least twice. And this would be the third time. It is the Boho Vibes by the Paper Studio. And I just recently, we all hit that Hobby Lobby clearance, rebought some stickers, some embellishments, the kit, as well as the 12 by 12. And you know what I was comparing? Ready for this one? This is funny. I found it under stickers. This is the one I bought from the Hobby Lobby a couple weeks ago when they were clearancing out for $5.99, $21.99. See that? Now this is one I bought, I want to say 2 years ago, $19.99. It went up. Same paper, but the price went up. I noticed it on stickers too. I thought it was funny. Where a pack of stickers I got on clearance was $4.99, and the same pack of stickers that I actually have stored. I store a lot of stuff in these from the Dollar Tree, and when I have a collection, I try to keep it all together. And I was sticking the ones I got on clearance in a new envelope. Because I had it in this one, but it tore. I'm going to tell you, these from the Dollar Tree, they're okay to send stuff in, but they're not good to store stuff. This one ripped, it's going in garbage. So these, so far, I've loved. So when I was transferring, I had 2 packs of stickers that are identical. That one I just got on clearance, it was $4.99. And the sticker pack that I had from a while ago, $3.99. I thought it was kind of funny. So, y'all didn't come here to hear me talk about my paper line. But I will tell you this. If I could have my bathroom done, it would be one wall of this right here. I am not a pinky person, but I like this old look. I just love it. This is an accent wall. I said I wanted to should have bought every paper pad of this, so someday when I get my own house, I could just Mod Podge this on my wall. Line it up and keep going. Okay, to the pocket letter. So, I used this paper line and some stickers I had from, I don't know. But it says good vibes, and I got the washi tape and an arrow. Do what makes you so happy. And then a little teepee down there. And I love the teepee with the color combo. And these are just some stickers I randomly had from a paper line. These are for Paper Studio feathers. I had it. I love the little world globe that says the world goes around, or the world awaits. Over here it says dreamer. These little stickers and a feather. I have some feathers coming down here, and it's hashtag my tribe. There's a feather, an arrow, wild and free. Down here it's brave. Got some little pieces of flowers, the cut, arrow. Let's be adventurer. Let's be adventurer daring. Down here, the story begins, dream on. And then dream catchers. And then this is a dollar store dream catcher that I had in that storage pack that I decided to use here. Now I'm going to tell you a story about the dream catchers. I don't know if people realize this. When you get a dream catcher, it won't catch your dreams unless you add something your own to it. It could be a trinket, a bead, even a picture. As long as you add to the dream catcher something of your own, it will then work. It will catch your dreams. So I added a bead here. My dream catcher is in my room, my bedroom. It's a beautiful dream catcher somebody made me years ago. So I added that as just dangle. And of course, I always do my backs as well. And here we go. Same paper, line, and I got the arrow, little feather, circle I cut, washi tape going on the side. There's different washi tape here, and that's this washi tape I believe is all from Hobby Lobby that I got on clearance years ago. Cactus, feather, these little horns, a dream catcher, and this right here is so cool. This is nothing from this paper line, but I thought it was cool. It is actually a tattoo. See it? And all I did is I got a piece of paper, white cardstock, put it on the cardstock and tapped it with a baby wipe, and it transferred the tattoo onto it, and then I just glued it down. Kind of cool, ain't it? I love that. Oops. Things are falling out. The back. Oh, lost the back in there. Came off. I'm going to have to glue that. Hey, only on real videos. I don't edit. Soon, and I got the feather, which is some die cuts from a package I had. A little teepee, and I put this love sticker went across, the circle, washi tape, and cactus. Some more arrows with a feather, and the feathers going down the edge. And down here, I did add some lace this time, and I added the like purple and the teal color. I just thought it just added to it. So that's this week's pocket letter. 10 weeks, guys. 10 weeks of pocket letters. Now, everybody, you ready? If you've watched this video to this far, sorry, I had to get a drink. All right, let me start that over. If you have watched this video to this point, it's a hidden giveaway to celebrate 10 weeks of pocket letters. Because that means we only have 20 weeks left. Do you know what that means? It's 20 weeks before the first of the year. It means like Christmas is around the corner, guys. Crazy. Because you figure I am on August right now, according to my calendar, my planner, while I'm doing this video. You have to understand, I'm doing this video in June. We are actually on August 11th when this will come out. Okay? Like I said, I'm ahead in pocket letters because it's June 19th as I'm making this video. And then the grandkids' soccer is done in 2 weeks. And then I'm pushing for more hours at work. So that means I will have the grandkids more. So I wanted to get ahead at least a month and a half of pocket letters. So I'm not scrambling if I'm busy every day or every other day during the week with the grandkids. That's why I went up to August. And then I can just chill. But now, if you've made it this far in this video, it's a hidden giveaway to celebrate 10 weeks pocket letter. And what I'm giving away is something that I got a couple weeks ago at the Dollar Tree. And some people were able to get them, some people weren't able to get them. And I picked up them for my 2K giveaway. They were going to be included in my 2K giveaway, except my winner actually still had them. So now I'm giving them away this time. Here we go, guys. It's the planner stickers. Now, if you guys already have these, please don't enter. Give somebody a chance that doesn't have them. Okay? You get the family game night ones. And I have a planner. I started decorating my planner. I kind of got bored with, I'll admit, I got bored decorating my planner. I do. And I've bought them a couple times. Like I bought one this year. I won't be buying another happy planner. I'm just going to buy a cheap little calendar at Dollar Tree next year. So you got Christmas in here. And you don't have to use these for planning. I mean, look at these. This would be cute on a pocket letter. So that's why I decided to give them away in this video. So they make great little, you could cut that out and send it as a little pocket in a pocket letter itself. So you have Christmas, Halloween, fall, you know, and all the little planners thingies. Look at the can of corns. Fall here and Halloween mixed together. Then you got like summer wish to me, or Valentine's, because I didn't see a lot of Valentine in here, so it's not a holiday one, but I don't get it. Spring, you have a Easter, but not really Valentine's. So, oh, sorry. Love, I guess there's a little bit. Happy Mother's Day. Again. And a little Easter and spring. Summer. Little flamingos. Barbecue, 4th of July. Ooh, that would have been cute in a pocket letter. 4th of July. But I already did that one. Sorry, I got stipless this morning because it is 6 o'clock in the morning on June 19th when I'm doing this video. You won't see this till August. Summer, birthday, and then it goes to that one. So there's this one. Sorry, I got the sniffles. And this one is called Right Now. You got, and then they're like tie-dyed rainbow. Oops, this is coming off. I'll grab the other one. There's nothing wrong with it. And circles to make good in bottle caps. And then appointments, doctor's appointment, the little dotty things. Note to self, important, don't forget, get it done. Priority. These. But the one thing I like about this pad is the banner. It says weekend, chillin', flight, you know, I don't do that. Is this right here. These sayings. You got this. Work hard, be nice. You know, you could use these for other things. It's so cool. Of course, that, and that, and that. And then the little sayings again. And then the borders. Look at those borders. You can use them. And then right here, also, life is lovely. You can use them for anything. Like best week ever. You can just cut best. You know, there's all sorts of things you can do with these. You don't necessarily have to use them in a planner. And there, there. So there you go. Now, like I said, if you already have them, give somebody a chance that doesn't have them, that happens to go through and watches this video. To be entered, I want to know what you did this summer in a comment below. Don't put, oh, thanks Tina for the giveaway. I don't want anybody to know that this was a hidden giveaway in this video. So what I want you to do is I just want you to tell me in the comments what you did this summer so far. If you went on a vacation, or you didn't do nothing, or you just are at home enjoying the nice weather, you haven't. Or like you planted your garden, or you've been watching your flowers, you know, planted your flower garden, whatever. I just want you to leave a comment of what you did this summer, and I will enter you. Now, I'm only going to run this hidden giveaway for 1 week. So next Wednesday, and I got my calendar here, man. See, I have this nice planner and I don't decorate it. Let's go to August. So it's the 11th that this video will be going up, August 11th. I will pick the winner of this video, this on week, Wednesday, August 18th. Yes, the 18th. Okay? So it'll be 1 week. It'll be August 18th. I will pick the winner. Once the August 18th video goes up for the pocket letter, I will pick the winner that same day. So you have a week to be entered in this hidden giveaway. Alrighty? And you have to be a subscriber to my channel. It's just a given. And a United States citizen. Alright? So it's a USA giveaway. I'm sorry if anybody from international watches this, but I'm sorry, I can't afford, and I feel bad. In my budget, I can't afford to send overseas. I'm sorry. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you like the pocket letters I've been showing for the last 10 weeks. And join in the fun. All you do is have to make a packet letter and show it, and then use the hashtag 30 weeks of pocket letter, PL. 30 weeks. You see it in the description. You know what I mean. So, as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Bye, everybody. Just remember, what did you do this summer to be entered?